Hello, hello. We have a newcomer, and her name is Barbara. Hey,
Hi.
Barbara.
Barbara Streisand.
Barbara Streisand. She's up there. She looks a little different now. She had a little bit of work done, but we're so pleased to have Miss Barbara. Tell us something, Babs.
She's gay.
No, not at all.
We're all gay.
I'm quite happy. Is that gay too? I've heard it is.
We're so gay.
Just a gay crowd.
We're just the gayest bunch of coconuts.
But only two of us have coconuts.
Thank God. I don't know what you people do with those things. Oh?
Hello, Sang Bang.
Aw, what is it? Do tell.
What happened?
Tell the people.
Tell us your story.
I want to know what you're thinking right this very moment, please.
I gotta poop.
Oh my God, poop.
Yes,
That's a
will do
subject
it.
that
That's
everyone
important.
talks about.
Oh, pooping the pretty poop.
The pretty poop.
pretty
Oh!
poop.
What are you going to do to make the pretty poop?
Oh
Take
yeah.
a dump on a plate or in a plate.
That's yummy.
And then I'm gonna cut pretty pieces of like flowers, like dandelions and other small.
Oh, you
flowers.
could do fruits too.
Yeah.
Fruits on shit.
Yeah. Well, you gotta make it pretty.
Can't wait for the bugs that show up to that one.
Yeah. I wonder
What,
who's gonna. I wonder who would eat that.
Good word.
Turkey.
3 strikes. Oh no, what is it? 3 strikes in a row is the turkey when it comes to all down the lane. It's the turkey.
Can you gobble?
Gobble, 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 gobble.
No, like.
gobble.
No, I don't think that's more
God
like
damn it.
that's more like a motorboat.
You are not.
That's more like a cop.
You are not the. I was gonna say motorboat, but that's just not coming out of my mouth right now.
Keep on trying it, guys, and
Oh, look.
I'll tell you guys who makes the best turkey sound.
All right, how does it go?
Okay.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Oh, I can't do it.
Wait.
Or I can. Hold on.
Okay, Sarah will go first.
Okay, what does it sound like?
No, you have to make it, and I'll.
But what do I copy? I don't know what they do.
They gobble.
Okay.
Gobble, gobble,
I'll
gobble,
make,
gobble,
I'll
gobble,
make the gobble sound, and you guys.
Gobble, gobble. Okay.
Yeah.
Gobble, 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 gobble. Ouch. That was
Your
very
turn.
tough. I thought it was so huge.
No.
Oh God, that was some
Okay,
competition.
so everybody sucks. So Sang
We
Bang.
all suck.
I can imitate any animal.
What about me?
Oh, look what I'm doing. I'm growing a beard. You see this?
Sang says it's a beautiful beard.
It's a
I like-
beautiful beard.
It's
You
a
guys
little
want
strong.
to see what
Ow.
kind of animal would you guys want to hear
Mom.
Bat.
sexually?
A fox.
A bat?
Bat. Until you added that
A bearded
caveat.
dragon.
A bat.
What about-
A bat would be. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, I did.
I did super
Bats
sonic
screech you.
sounds.
Oh.
Okay. What about a fox?
Mom.
A fox?
Yeah.
Mom, did you even get the
I
joke?
guess I was calling for it.
Mom, did you even get the joke?
What joke?
That's actually what foxes.
I'm not your
make
mother, Barbara.
What
Okay,
does the fox say?
Okay, Audrey, what do you want to hear?
A bearded dragon having sex.
Oh my God, this is going on Facebook, young lady. God, my glasses make me look old.
Wait, no.
I love the glasses.
I'm Barbara Streisand. She's not my mom.
Barbara
You
Streisand.
gave it up. How dirty I look.
If you knew Morse code, you'd know exactly what I just said.
I know what you
I-
said, and I do not approve at all. It just sounded like something I
Look
did not
at
want
the
to hear.
librarian.
I know. Hello.
Tatas.
Okay. Or lack thereof. And I am okay with that. Ow.
That could be sexy librarian.
Yes. Shut up.
Hey, what are you doing tonight? I got food we can grab on.
What about a book? Do you have this book in your house?
Oh yeah, I have all sorts of books.
Oh, tell me more. We interrupt this commercial for a commercial about commercials.
Beard products.
I have any kind of book.
Or lack
for you.
thereof.
I have a book about everything.
This product will make you feel happy and young.
Oh yeah.
This product
Tell me
is
more.
one of a kind.
Tell me more, tell me more, tell me
Look
more.
at my
This
head.
product.
Now your head looks biggest.
Awesome.
Don't. Oh, I'm. What are you doing?
What?
It looks uncomfortable on my glasses. How long is this? Here we go again.
I don't
I'm
know.
ready to dip the hell out of here.
All right, guys. So,
That's weird. What is that? How did that happen?
His hand, Mom.
No, it wasn't. Oh, possible.
we'll see you later.
See ya.
Bye bye.
Like doing